Tegenungan Waterfall, Bali. Bali is known as one of the islands in Indonesia, which is very beautiful and has a lot of natural wealth. Lots of tourists come to see the beauty of Bali. This time, we will introduce one of the tourist destinations, which is often the destination of tourists who come to Bali. Before entering Tegenungan Waterfall, many local people sell very unique souvenirs. That's very interesting. Tegenungan Waterfall is located in Kemennu District, SUKAWATI, Gianyar Regency, Bali. Have you heard about this destination? If you have, that's great. If not, come with us to see the beauty of this waterfall. Very nice view, very beautiful to look, and very cool, making people interested in come here. Tegenungan Waterfall not only offers good views. Around Tegenungan Waterfall, there are also many photo spots. They are meant to be as interesting as possible. Look, lots of people are swimming around the waterfall. We can see there is a rainbow, which just makes this view even more beautiful. After arriving at the waterfall, we can not only see the view, but we can also play in the water or swim around the waterfall. Very interesting, right? Hopefully, this tourist destination can continue to be busy with visitors.